Have you ever wondered how a clock works? How can a small device keep track of time so accurately? Whether it's a modern digital watch or a classic one with ticking hands, there's a fascinating science behind every second that goes by. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of clocks, from ancient inventions to the incredible technology behind today's timepieces. Buckle up, and let's explore. How does a clock work? For thousands of years, humans have tried to track time. The earliest methods were primitive, like sundials, which used the sun's shadow to tell time. Later came water clocks and hourglasses. In the Middle Ages, mechanical tower clocks were invented, often seen in churches and town squares. Eventually, clocks became portable, then wearable. And today, we have atomic clocks so accurate they lose only a second every millions of years. A mechanical clock is a tiny masterpiece of engineering. It includes several key components: mainspring, the source of power, it's wound up to store energy; balance wheel, a wheel that oscillates back and forth at a steady pace, this regulates the timing; gear train, a set of gears that transmits energy from the spring to the hands; escapement, think of it like a brake, it controls how the gears turn and lets the hands move step by step. All these parts work in perfect harmony to keep time ticking smoothly. In the 20th century, a major shift happened: the invention of the quartz clock. Instead of a spring, it uses a battery for power. It relies on a tiny quartz crystal, which vibrates exactly 32,768 times per second. These vibrations are turned into electrical pulses that regulate the clock's timekeeping. Quartz clocks are cheaper, more accurate, and easier to maintain than mechanical ones. So how do clocks actually measure time? The answer: consistent, repetitive motion. In mechanical clocks, it's the swinging of the balance wheel. In quartz clocks, it's the regular vibration of the quartz crystal. These repetitive movements are counted and converted into actions, either turning gears for analog clocks or displaying numbers for digital ones. But if you're wondering what the most accurate clock is, it's the atomic clock. It uses the natural vibrations of atoms, especially cesium atoms, to measure time. These clocks are so precise that they might only lose 1 second in millions of years. Atomic clocks are used in GPS systems, the internet, and scientific research centers around the world. From sundials and sand to quartz crystals and atoms, the history of the clock is a story of human brilliance and precision. Next time you glance at your watch or phone, remember there's a whole world of science behind that simple time display. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more educational content. This is Zico Academy, and I'll see you in the next episode.